Good morning. We are inside Oxbow Market. We are in downtown Napa. Let me show you. We're heading into Gott's Roadside. I was told that they have delicious sandwiches. Okay, we changed our mind. We are going to Model Bakery. We are back at our hotel room. They just cleaned our room, so the bed is perfectly made. We are now going to eat our breakfast / lunch, also known as brunch. Take a look at what we got. Burritos. I'll let you know how it tastes. My husband is already finished with his. Was it good? We got a breakfast burrito. It's still steaming hot. It has avocado, egg, hash browns. We omitted the cheese, meaning we decided not to get it. We got gluten-free wraps so that it is more gentle on our stomach. Okay, I'm excited. Pretty good, but it's missing sauce. We finished our breakfast. Now we need to let the food settle because it was a lot of food. And then we are going to head to the spa. We have some sauna time reserved, so we'll do that before my husband gets a facial and I'm getting a massage. While I wait for the food to settle in my stomach, I'm going to study some French. I will read some French to you. S'il n'avait pas plu, on serait allé à la plage. Let me know in the comments if you understood what I said. We are taking a tour around the Napa area. We are currently in Yountville. I always wondered how to correctly pronounce that. Now I know, Yountville. Unfortunately, it is around 6 p.m. and nothing is open right now. But I wanted to show you the area while there aren't many people here. We might be going in to get some chocolate. Just kidding, they are closed as well. Cute little wine shop. It is currently 95 degrees Fahrenheit. Good morning. It's my birthday. We're going for a bike ride through the vineyards. Later today, we are going out of Napa to wine tasting to an area called St. Helena, I think. I'm not sure. Afterwards, I have an appointment with a psychic because I want to see what my 36th year of being alive will hold for me. We are at a stopping point with our bike. My husband is flying the drone over the vineyards. Let's see if we can find it. It's the thing that looks like a bird that is stationary in the air. Can you see it? Let's go close to the vineyards so you can see the grapes. I have no idea what kind of grapes these are and what kind of wine this will produce, but I'm sure it's delicious. The vineyards go far back, as far as the eye can see. Have you ever heard that term before? Let's take a look at what my husband is seeing on the screen. The screen is black. We can't see. so I will have to upload the footage later. We are almost at the wine tasting venue. We are in Oakville, which is a town near Napa. Cardinal. Here we are. This is a long driveway. We are using the call box to enter. It says Cardinal by appointment only. That means you cannot just walk in to have a wine tasting. We are heading down to the grapes.
It's a regular grape.
Try it. How is it?
Great.
The grape is great. Okay, my turn. It's delicious, actually. We are inside to continue our wine tasting tour. Looks like we have 3 different types of red wine, some cheese, date pate, I think, nuts, macadamia, almond, and a menu. Maybe sparkling water, maybe still water. I'm not sure. We are spending our last hour in Napa eating at their popular burger spot. It's called Gott's Roadside, and we were told by the estate manager at the wine tasting yesterday that this is the best burger in the world. We're going to test it out for ourselves. Hopefully it's as good as he says. After we eat our lunch, we are heading to the Napa airport and flying back home. Usually there's a lot of traffic coming from Burbank to what we call the west side of Los Angeles. We mapped it out. It says 50 minutes, so hopefully it is an actual 50 minutes. And my football team, American football, has their first game tonight. So let's hope for a win. If you like this video, please subscribe, like, and show me some love in the comments. And feel free to give me some ideas for future videos. Thanks for watching.